Now, the government is banking on signing a labor mobility agreement with various countries, to expand employment opportunities for Kenyans living abroad. Investments, Trade and Industry Cabinet Secretary Lee Kinyanjui, who spoke to Kenyans living in Japan during a networking dinner, says the number of Kenyans who are working abroad has increased significantly. Marianne Nyambura reports from Osaka, Japan.
The Kenya Diaspora Networking Dinner was marked in style at the Osaka International Convention Center on Saturday evening, marking the commencement of Kenya Week at Expo 2025 Osaka, scheduled from 21st to 24th June. Trade and Investments Cabinet Secretary Lee Kinyanjui led a delegation from Kenya in meeting like-minded Kenyans living in Japan. Key discussions focused on leveraging employment opportunities in Japan for Kenyans.
The government has started what we call a labor mobility program. And we were just doing the numbers, and this year alone we have about 400,000 Kenyans who have gone to work abroad. Now, that number, if you compare with previous numbers, you will realize that it's a huge number. I mean, the growth is exponential.
Kenyans living in Japan, some for more than 2 decades, raised key concerns and gaps in the overseas job market, adding that Kenyans could leverage on such opportunities to spur economic growth.
The biggest challenge in Japan right now is the aging population, which means it's really difficult to hire new talent because there's competition. The demand is high, supply is low, and also the skill is slowly getting eroded because people get old and they go away with those skills. So that in itself, you can see a gap.
Kenya Exports Promotion and Branding Agency Chief Executive Officer Floyce Mukabana stressed the need for Kenyans living in Japan to collaborate in doubling the number of exports to Japan.
Specifically in 2024, Kenya exported $69 million to Japan, with Japan exporting US dollars 817 million to Kenya. With this huge trade imbalance, we can do better if we work together.
I think it would be a more balanced equation if we would also use that knowledge of the international trading system to also bring part of the products that Kenya would want to sell.
As Kenya grapples with youth unemployment, the Labor Mobility Agreement will offer a clear pathway for Kenyan professionals to fill high-demand roles across various sectors in Japan, even as they gain valuable insights and skills abroad. Marianne Nyambura, Citizen TV, Osaka, Japan.